Here I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down, find and select additional settings, and here simply go to date and time. And now you can either have an automatic date and time or you can switch it off, just tap over here. And now you can select the time zone by yourself. Just scroll down and select the one that you would like to have. And then set date and time over here on set time icon. So now you can select the date and time here. And that's it. If you go back and open it one more time, you will see that new date and time has been set up. You can also change the format of your clock, so you can either have a standard 12-hour format clock or you can tap on 24-hour format, just up here. And since now you have 24-hour format clock. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.